Hello. I've had a lot of questions about how to record the pronunciation. I have come up with an alternate way to do this if your computer is not allowing you to do it. Some of you have been able to upload it through your phone. To be honest, I don't know how you did it. Great that you can. However, you can get the file on there is perfect. I don't use my phone for a lot of things other than just it being a phone and maybe some pictures. So what I did is I found something else that I use quite often. As you can see up here, it's called screencast-o-matic.com/screen-recorder. If you type that in, it's going to bring up this screen found right here. From this screen, it's going to bring up another screen similar to this. So whatever you choose to record, whether it be your face or your computer screen, you have that choice, screen or webcam, or even both. I typically choose screen because I really don't like my face to be on everything. But this was what it will look like. As I'm using Screencast-O-Matic right now, I'm not able to show you the entire features of it. This is how I always record. You can record up to about 15 minutes with the free version. And it's just web-based, so you don't have to download anything except for your final product. So what it's going to do is all you do is launch your free recorder. This box will pop up. Whatever is in this dotted line will be the information that will be recorded. To test it, you can tell if the narration is on. So when I'm talking, this will move back and forth. All you do is click record. The record will then record whatever you're going from here on out. When you're finished, this record button will turn into a pause, a blue pause button. You would click that. On the right-hand side of this little screen, there would be a done button. If you like it, then you click done. Otherwise, there's a small little garbage can. If you decided I'm going to trash this whole thing and start over, happens quite often, then you would click that. So either done or trash. After you're finished with that, it will then bring up another kind of your front page of your video, and you then need to choose where to save it to. And on the very top, it will say something about saving it as a video file. That's what you would do. Title it and then save it to your computer. That seems to work the best for me to upload it to Canvas. I have done a lot of things that you could either save it into YouTube. I don't know how you would upload it into Canvas as a student. So upload it as a video file to your computer. When you're finished uploading it to me, then you can just delete the file. When you get into Canvas then, I will show you Canvas. I gotta find my other page here. This is what your screen looks like as a student. To then upload your video, click your pronunciation assessment. You're going to submit your assignment. Click on the blue box. Record, upload media. When you get to this point, this is normally where the hang-up seems to be. You're then going to click Upload Media. I select the video file because I've just made a video, even though it's probably just a voice recording. I'm guessing this is where you have uploaded your video, your audio file from a phone or other areas, which is fine to do as well. Gonna go here, and mine is right there. You're not gonna want to look at this because I was just screwing around to make sure this would work. What it's going to do then is upload my test media file. Okay, and then you would submit your assignment. So that's really all you're going to have to do for this one. I'm not going to submit it, but if you do find that this isn't working for you either, another option would be to call the help desk. They should be able to walk you through steps as to why the flash is not working, and to be honest, I think some of it may have to do with some of the computer issues that they're having. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.